Did you know 90% of shoppers turn to social media for retail purchasing decisions? Promoboxx is the tool that gives you access to all your favorite flooring brands' tailored, ready-to-post content for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, downloadables. Best of all, it's free to you. Find all the latest projects, installation and maintenance tips, customer reviews, product launches, promotions, and much more. Tailor-made for your lines all in one place, ready to post. Register now to start your journey by clicking Enroll Now. Fill out the necessary information in steps 1 to 5 to create your business account. You can finally connect your Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts to your new Promoboxx profile, which lets you access all your campaigns. Make sure to select your trusted distributor to have access to the campaigns that fit your products best. Select the post you like, tweak it or don't, then post directly on your own store's Instagram or Facebook accounts as if you had created all the content yourself. You can schedule customized campaigns or even automate and let us do all the heavy lifting for you. You can even run paid advertising on Facebook or Instagram using your own funds or the funds we allocate during special promotions to support your sales. Have access to all the best content now. Promoboxx Retail Support Team is here to help if you have any questions. They are reachable through live chat, email, or phone.